Om Shanti. Essence of Avyakt Murli. 24th August 2025. Title of Murli. Burn the tail of the consciousness of I with intense, volcanic tapasya and become equal to Bap Dada, for only then will completion come close. Bap Dada said, the key to accumulating all treasures lies in the feelings of being an instrument, in creativity, and in selflessness. And the number of that key is 3 dots. First, the soul as a point of light, second, the Father as a point of light, and third, the full stop of the eternal drama. Baba says, there is only one method to increase all treasures, firmness. When there is firmness, the thought will never arise whether something will happen or not. It is already destined to be. One who has firm faith will experience certainty, peace of mind, and clarity. A faithful intellect is always victorious. Further, Baba said, if you want to accumulate the account of all treasures to the maximum, then transform the mantra of Manmana Bhav into a living tool. According to the present time, it is essential to firmly practice the lesson of being ever ready. But for this, first remove the ego of I. Never allow even a trace of body consciousness or ego to appear, not even in dreams. Finally, Baba said, until the brave children burn away the tail of this ego of I, this Lanka, meaning the old world, will not come to an end. But to burn it, what is required is the volcanic fire of deep tapasya, intense meditation, not just ordinary remembrance. Blessing for today. May you be a bestower and a bestower of fortune and finish all your weaknesses by donating them. Details are, on the path of devotion, they have a system that, when you lack something, you are asked to donate that very thing. By your donating it, that form of giving becomes a form of receiving. So, in order to finish any weakness, become a bestower and a bestower of fortune. If you become an instrument to support others and give them the Father's treasures, weaknesses will then automatically move away. Let your powerful sanskars of a bestower and a bestower of fortune emerge, and your weak sanskars will automatically finish. Slogan is, continue to sing praise of your elevated fortune, not of your weaknesses. Om Shanti. Avyakt signals. In order to be an easy yogi, become experienced in God's love. You always do whatever the one you love likes. The Father doesn't like his children to become upset and, therefore, never say, what can I do? It was because the situation was like that, this was why I got upset. Even if an upsetting situation comes in front of you, you must not let your stage be upset. Say, Baba, with your heart and become merged in that love.